everybody. I am downtown Angeles City. We're gonna come down here. I'm gonna walk into an area that I've never walked before. I said the last time I was down here, is this a fire hydrant? Maybe it is, maybe it isn't. I would say it's a fire hydrant. I always wonder, where are the fire hydrants around here? With all these stores here, in case something were to happen. Anyways, I'm gonna walk into an area that I've never walked before. The last time I was up here, I said, you know what, I'm gonna walk back in and check this area out. Very busy here this morning, Monday morning. There's your traffic police out there directing traffic. Now, I have walked in here in the past. Oh, no, thank you. I have walked back in there. Just little stores back in there. Which, little stores everywhere, right? Morning. Let me see. I don't know if I've ever took a stroll back in here. I don't think I have. I'll show you what's back in here. All these knockoff products through here. Tailor, you got a tailor, you need some work done. Good morning.
Good morning.
Jewelry shop here on the left. Repair jewelry.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning. Can I help you?
I'm just looking.
What can I do for you?
I'm just looking.
You just
Yeah,
looking.
making video for my YouTube.
Oh,
Yeah.
really?
Nice to meet you.
So are you?
You're the tailor.
Yeah,
This
the
your
tailor, yeah.
How many years you been doing this?
I'm doing. No, I'm not tailor.
Oh, you're
I'm
not?
hairdresser.
Oh, her dresser.
Yeah.
Who's
She's
the-
the owner of my friend.
The owner's your
That
friend.
lady, yeah.
How many years?
Maybe 20 years,
20,
25 years.
25 years.
Yeah.
Okay.
What
All
is
right
that?
here. Huh?
What's
It's for my YouTube channel.
Okay.
It's okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like
I'm
that.
just asking.
Yeah, I ask people, you know, their life and
Yeah.
what they do, and
I know.
yeah. So
I know. Where are you working?
where do I work?
Yeah,
I don't work. I'm retired.
Oh, you?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
You want to haircut your hair?
No, I'm letting my hair grow.
You want to grow your hair?
Yeah.
Oh, you want long hair?
Yeah, long hair.
Okay.
And I don't want to wear a wig.
Color. You want the color?
No color.
You don't
What,
want.
what's your name?
My name is Ronald, alias Gretchen.
Ronald.
Yes.
Were you born here?
I'm born in Pampanga.
Pampanga,
Not
okay.
here. This is Angeles City.
Yes. So your province is Pampanga.
Yeah, provinces. I'm Porac, Pampanga.
Porac, okay.
Yeah, you
So
know
you're
Porac?
Kapa Pampanga.
Yeah,
Okay.
Kapampangan.
All right.
Yeah.
All right. It's nice meeting you.
Nice
Nice
meet
talking to you.
too.
Have a good day.
How about you? What's your name?
Brian.
Brian.
Yes.
Okay.
Nice to meet you.
Good luck. Take care.
Good morning. Take care. Always find people friendly. Here it is for rent or for sale. You guys see it? It's clothes and tailors and kitten cats. Morning. Yeah, this is the area because right out here is the morning. Morning. Hello, good morning. Right out here is the St. Nicholas Market. So yeah, this was kind of the area here. I just walk around here. Show you the area here. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
It kind of looks like the market was in here at one time, because this is kind of how the main market in the Palenque market is set up, with tables inside and fresh running water. We're just going to wander around in here. See fish vendors, fresh fish, seafood. Maybe some of the vendors store their stuff in here. It's kind of dark in here, right? There's some food down here. Food. Both sides.
Yes, sir.
Good morning. French fries. All right. I think you got to look is with the oil here, guys. If you're going to eat, a lot of people are afraid to eat the food here. You never know if you're going to like it until you try it. So you got to give it a try, right? You got to give it a try. Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
You have to give it a try, but guys, check out the oil before you get something. Good morning. Check out the oil. Good morning. Oh, this is yours? This is your business? This is your business?
No business. I think there.
You're the salesperson. Salesperson. Yeah.
This one.
The get back to what I was saying about the oil. Check the oil. Just check the oil. If it looks beat up and dirty, don't eat it, man. Don't eat the food. Good morning.
Morning.
Oh my God. It's a pretty cold Joker. Wait, I was looking at your Joker.
Joker.
Yeah.
Cover siya, sir.
Morning. Then it pops out here onto the main road. There's where we started our walk. Let me see. Let me walk this way. I don't know. I always like walking in the market. You guys know that. So will I walk in the market? Shall I walk in the market? Morning. Social distancing signs. Oh. I think I walked back in there last time. And we'll find somewhere new to walk. Alright, we're going to walk down this street here. I don't think I've ever walked down this street. Just going to check it out. 2-pack Snoop Dogg. Drake. This kind of is parallels to the left of the main market. It's like just a street full of clothes, right? It's quiet. It's definitely quiet on this street. These are new clothes, guys. They're not, it's not ukai. The big place that a lot of these merchants or these vendors will buy from is a place down in Manila. They go down there and they just buy it in mass bulk and then bring it up and just sell it. That looks like vendor shops there, but they are closed. And the big apple market that they used to have every Fridays here, last time I was told it's still closed. I'll have to come up here on a Friday and actually check it out. Don't know where this street leads to. There's a street sign here. Let me let you know where I'm at here. Burgos Street, El Gomez Street. Right there it is. Burgos Street and El Gomez Street. There's the church. How'd I get over there? How'd I get over to that church? I know it's there. Now I know it's here. I've always checked this church out. And it's a pretty cool looking church. I used to walk to it every time we had the apple market. So I'm going to get over there. It's pretty cool. Like I said, I like it. It's a nice little Catholic church. Let me head over there quick. I think I can make a left here and get to it. Let's go. Let's go down here. All right, it's up here on the left. All you gotta do is ask, right? And somebody will tell you. It's the Apo Church. Apo Church up here on the left. If I'm not mistaken, this road here, when they had the apple market, was always full of vendors. And obviously now, no vendors. And it is a Monday, so here it is. Yep, this is it. I don't know if I can get in there. But there used to be vendors all down through here. Kind of looks like the church is closed. And gate's open. The gate going in is open. I'm heading in. Apo Church, guys. I would imagine they're open for Mass and everything. They were always open for Mass and other events when the market was open. But of course, you know, the COVID shut everything down. Take a walk up here.
Hello.
Sad to see that there's not as many people that used to be up in here. There's a church in there. You still can walk in and say prayers. It is open. So the church itself is open. If you want to go in and say prayers. But I always like this little park area here. They used to have a lot of, you know, the water flowing and everything, but not happening today. I'll come in here real quick. Show you. The flowers are pretty, huh? Here's if you want to light a candle, pay your respects to whoever you're paying your respects to. All right, guys. Well, didn't know I was going to walk to the Apo Church today, but I did walk up to the Apo Church on my path. And that's the thing, guys. I never know where I'm going to walk. Might have something planned in my head where I'm going to walk, and I might divert from there, or I might keep the plan. But that's the thing, when you're walking and walking, you get out, you explore, and wherever your feet lead you, that's where you go, right? That's where you go. It's kind of like life, right? Life takes you where life takes you, and you're just on that journey. You're on that journey. So anyways, with that being said, Remember, guys, it is okay to disagree. It is okay to agree to disagree in this crazy world we live in. And, you know, thanks to everybody for following me on my journey and our journey in the Philippines here. Some people agree, some people disagree with what I do, what I say, but like I said, that's just part of life, right? So anyways, guys, I'm gonna wrap this one up and we'll talk to you later.